All right, so here we are on the attachment, the Great War Newspaper. I'm just going to read through the overview first, highlighting a few important things, and then I'll talk about how I'd like you guys to do this as a class. So your task is to create a newspaper which is reporting on events that occurred throughout the war from an American perspective, right? Your newspaper will serve as a summary of these events, but it should be put together in the order in which they occurred. So, in a group of 4 or 5, I'd like you guys to work together in creating an article, one on each of these 6 different bullets. Obviously, since there's no group of 6, I'm not going to require that every single topic be covered. But since you are working in groups, I do want you to work or to pick which ones you're going to be doing and then create that newspaper together and put it in order. Okay, so your newspaper must meet the following minimum requirements. So the first bullet we have here is an article about the progress of the war in Europe. So talking about stalemates, trench warfare, I almost said stench, yeah, stench warfare, and technology. An article about the progress of the war in Europe, American involvement in the war, turning the tide. There should be an article of life on the home front, financing the war, managing the economy. An article about life on the home front, enforcing loyalty, changing people's lives. An article about making peace. So looking at the different conferences, the different treaties, and the attempts to making world peace with the League of Nations. And then a political cartoon to accompany each article. All right, so in terms of groups, timeline, and grading,